for making me believe that you miss me and you're faithful to me. Ano mo, nakakainis ka?
Kamusta? Hindi, totoo. Kamusta? How are you?
Okay lang. Naka-remind lang kita na 2 hours na lang, magre-refresh na yung streak, ha? Remind lang kita, ha?
Remind lang din kita, sinendan na kita ng 2 TikToks and nag-chat pa ako.
Uwe.
I didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. Should've let you go.
Kamusta ka?
Foolish, I was lying to myself. Okay lang.
Okay talaga kasi 'di ba sobrang okay ng live mo kanina eh.
Okay naman, nag-enjoy naman ako, chill lang.
Chill lang, tapos may kasamang kumain ka na?
Siyempre, ganun naman talaga eh. Kahit naman sa mom ko o kaya sa teammate ko, tol, kumain ka na ba? Kain ka muna. Ganun. Mom, kumain ka na ba? Kain ka muna. Normal lang yan. You say that to people.
Ganon.
Oh, what? Wait. Hala ka. Papakita ko pa naman yung jersey.
Bakit pa ka sa jersey na yun? Akala ko ba violet?
Gusto mo ba yung violet? Kung gusto mo yung violet, 2 na lang ibibigay ko sa'yo. Eto, tsaka yun.
Huwag na, kahit huwag ka na nga magbigay. Bigay mo na lang yun sa iba.
Seryoso? Totoo ba? Okay lang sa'yo?
Bigay mo na lang kaya yan sa iba. Wala bang violet?
Meron. Meron. Kamusta? Kamusta naman? Kamusta?
Ay, sorry. No, Brent. Brent, kumain ka na?
Bro!
Brent, kumain ka na, Brent? Yeah. No, I was just asking as a friend lang. Sorry, I'm on live kasi ngayon with my friend din. Okay. Sorry, nag-call yung friend ko.
Gusto ko yung pasok ng kanta mo kanina.
Gusto mo talaga yun kasi relate ka dun eh.
Ako? Ako ba? All my life. Oy, by the way, ano?
By the way, ano yung SE?
Ano meron? Paano mo naman nalaman yun? Nagla-live ka kanina.
Nababasa ko sa comments.
Sean Ezekiel. Second name, for those who don't know, guys, my second name is Ezekiel. So, Sean Ezekiel. S-E-V. So, it's technically S-E-V siya. S-E.
So, technically,
it's brought to you by this program is brought to you by Jabuli Spicy Chicken. Mas masarap pag may red flag.
Sorry na patugtog ko, medyo maan pa. Yung TikTok ko kasi na-open ko lang yung FYP. Sorry.
Di ko gets, ah.
Di ko talaga yan gets, syempre.
Sinong red flag? Ako? Bakit ako?
Guys, napatugtog ko lang siya, ah. I mean, kung matamaan, I mean, if the shoe fits, then wear it.
The shoe's too big. Doesn't fit me. By the way, napanood ko na yung movie. Yung yung Unhappy for You.
Tapos,
I mean, hindi naman ako makarelate kasi di pa naman nangyayari sa akin. And at the same time, ako kasi pag gusto ko talagang pinaglalaban ko hanggang sa dulo. So, wancho talaga ako. Ikaw feel ko parang Zai.
wancho ka kasi selfish ka
May
kasi gusto
nakita
mo
ka lang
ikaw
iba.
lang. Kasi
Makita
ayaw
ka
mo
ng
yung
iba.
isang...
Kaya mo
ayaw
na
mo
akong iwanan. Ma-achieve mo
Lang.
lang. Kumbaga, ma-achieve mo lang yung gusto mo, ganun. Or whatever. Kaya mo akong iwanan.
Wancho ka syempre kasi ayaw mo yung ibang tao na mag-grow
Wancho ako, syempre, gusto ko mag-grow and tumanda. And panghabang buhay na partner ko.
Wait, sorry. Sorry, may nagpa. Hello?
Hello?
Hello, kumain ka na ba?
Kakain pa lang.
Sorry, asking lang as a friend or...
Ha?
Wala, I'm asking lang as a friend.
As a friend?
Yeah. Can you say hi to the, to the vlog, to the people?
Oh, hi everyone. Naka-live ka pala ngayon.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
I'm together with my friend then actually. Say hi to Sean.
Hi Sean.
Yeah.
Hi bro, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, Migo.
Okay, sige.
Mag-ingat.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Hi guys. Enjoy guys.
Mag-ingat ka.
Alright.
Love you.
Akala ko si Dustin yung kausap mo. Si Migo pala.
Asan ka na nga? Dun sa sa movie. Carry lang. I mean, I understand Julia. Pero alam mo sinong doon, nakakaawa doon, si Matt.
True. I sent that to you. Sinend ko sa'yo yun sa TikTok. Diba? Very classy, very demure. Yes, that's Precious.
And very hard to get na ngayon. So, I'm sorry, that was me before. But right now, I'm not very demure. I'm very demonic. I am very revengeful. And I am...
Very into black magic. Nangula ka kagabi.
Diba? Ugali mo yan eh. Very peaceful.
Ang tipful.
Very akala mo walang ginawa. Very madaling kalimutan lang na parang wala lang nangyari. Na parang walang kasalanan. May lamis ako dyan.
Ay! Maling kanta!
I miss Cham Cham so much. In fact, let me just chat him na lang. Kaya. Thank you,
Maling kanta, guys!
Thank you, for pushing me. Thank you for... Huy, na-appreciate ko yung pag-ship mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cute. Times na nagchachampurado kami and we clearly knew who won the battle, right? Maybe now we can't be more than just friends. She's back in my life, and it feels so right.
Okay na? Pwede ko na ba yung kanta?
It's the same old feeling, back again. Need the time.
Back when you were too young to know what love is. But
Someday, never age. Isn't fire doesn't cool the flame.
burning even brighter than it
Yun na, tapusin natin itong kanta to. Bad choice. Bad move, guys.
Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life.
feels so right, baby.
Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back when. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. And maybe this time it'll be love and they'll fight. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, whoa, she's back in his life. And it feels so right. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Love won't. Ay, hala, sorry.
Uy!
Hala, hala, sorry.
Huy!
Hala, sorry.
Huy! Hoy!
Ganyan yung feeling, di ba? Ganyan yung feeling.
Wait, ito pa. Meron pa ako. Kanta. Music.
Kilala mo to? Alam mo tong kantang to?
Alam ko na yan.
Alam mo tong kantang to?
Alam ko yan.
Hindi, nakakamiss lang kasi yung TikTok na ganito, di ba?
Bitches come and go, but you know I stay. Bitches come and go, but you know I stay. Got my balls licked.
Cute lang. Cute.
Looking like cocaine addict. Razor blade to your head. Conflict. I'ma contradict this shit. Being on all people's houses.
Okay, I lose this round.
House and three.
Ha?
Concede.
Wag! Wala pa tayo sa exciting part.
R. Kelly's greatest hits.
White flag. Ayan po.
The way he looks at me, no? I mean...
Di naman si Precious yan eh. Si Bogart yan eh. Ay, si ano yan eh. Sino ba?
Mosquito hits, slitting wrist while dark evil spirits slithering with tricks. I'm sick, acid trip makes my spitting sick and makes me start hitting.
Okay.
Okay? Sorry. Kasi, pero minsan mas mahilig din ako sa mga basketball players eh.
Alam ko na yan.
Kilala mo to?
Yo.